Adjust Mac settings that allow you to resize and move windows with finger commands on your trackpad. Open the System Preferences panel, from the Apple menu, from the dock, or from the launcher. Select the Accessibility icon in the System Preferences panel. In the Accessibility window, scroll to, and select, Mouse and Trackpad on the left. Then select, Trackpad Options. Now select, Enable Dragging, and choose 3-finger drag, from the options on the right. Finally, click the OK button to confirm the settings. Thank you for watching. If there are other Mac system or application software issues that you would like to see presented, please let us know in the comments.